So here we go again. I got 4 garage door openers, and this is the second one that's broke. This is really an antique, but I believe I could still make it run. So the problem, there it is. There's the top cover. You can see how old it is. The problem is there was a dowel rod in the door that got stuck in the door the other day, and the belt that operates it is busted now. And when I hit the remote control, it actuates that, but the motor's not coming on. So let me show you what I think. I think there's 2 problems. I think while the belt did break, I also think that this capacitor right here is shot, and that's why the motor right here is not running anymore. I believe this capacitor is shot because there's liquid coming out of it, and that's not supposed to happen. So what I'm going to do is, and it looks like the liquid has just come out recently, so I believe that's bad. That's a start capacitor right there. So I believe that's why the motor's not working. So those are pretty cheap. I'm going to order one of those and a new belt in the hopes that I can get this working again, because I don't want to spend $200 on a new garage door opener. I'm not surprised this thing broke this week. Everything else that I own seems to have broken this week. I bought a bunch of parts for that Ranger. I spent well over $200 or $400 in parts for the Ranger to put a heating system in it and a soft cab on it. And then I was driving this truck, and one of the back brake pads disintegrated, and the metal piece that holds the brakes shot out from there, and it wiped out the caliper, so I had to change that. And then I went so that was $190, so just about $600 at that point. Then that same day this broke, and I picked up my trailer for the pontoon boat, and it has a board broken off on it. And I still had to get parts for the heater for this. So really big mess, just a big mess. Everything has been broke. And then my wife told me that the ABS sensor on the Explorer came on. So I got a ton of stuff to fix this week. Truck's almost done. I got to change the brakes on this side, but I'm going to get parts for that, and we'll see if it works. Okay, I got a new belt for the garage door opener. That's the belt I got. Sears doesn't sell this anymore, this belt anymore, or the start capacitor. I found one on Amazon that I was able to get, a start capacitor, and the belt came from my local Ace Hardware. So I'm gonna try to get this on here, which may be a challenge one-handed. Jeez, this thing's tight. It's the right size, though. I measured it. Okay, there we go. I got it on there. It's crooked though. So, okay. Not crooked anymore. Belt is nice and tight. So now I gotta wait for the start capacitor to get here, and then I should be good to go. I'm gonna tighten this bolt right there back up, and that'll be it for the belt. Well, my new capacitor came in, so that is all that this garage door, I believe that's all this has left to need. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this, and we will test it together. Okay, the capacitor is installed. It did go down automatically once I plugged it back in, so it's already down. So I'm gonna say it's a good fix. Here we go for the up. Perfect. So all I needed was a belt and a capacitor, like I showed you on the other video, or not the other video, but prior to this. This had just goo leaking out of it, so I'm pretty sure that's why that was bad. So if your garage door has a capacitor on it and it has some goo leaking out of it, replace it. That capacitor was close to the same one. It wasn't exactly the same, but it does work. So thanks for watching. I hope this helps you. Comment, like, subscribe if you like the video.